What's up everyone, Jacob Rothenberg here, giving to you today another video on Kindle self-publishing. What we're going to talk about is, yes, the magic trick to finding great keywords, the secrets, what's been withheld from you from all the great self-publishers on Amazon, their tricks and tactics on how to find great keywords. This video is a 2-minute solution in changing your life, so stay tuned. Here we go. First, the magic trick is there is no magic trick. Anyone who tells you that is lying. I know this is probably going to bum you out, but let me be serious for a minute. I'm really good at finding profitable keywords. I have a great track record of making thousands of dollars from books that I can find a keyword for, produce a book for $150, and make thousands of dollars from each. So some common things that I've found that make me successful with keyword research is that I've done a lot of experimentation, and with that, a lot of trial and error. So I've published maybe at this point over 30 books, and quite a few of those books either had a very slow start and weren't profitable for me until months later. And along with that, I've spent hundreds of dollars on books, probably couple thousand by now, on titles that didn't really make money at all and were a loss for me. So with that, it's mostly trial and error through months, and you start to identify trends, patterns, and things that you see as what could work for what worked for you with researching a certain keyword. Like what focal points did you hone in on that made you successful with like a long tail approach for a keyword or a certain demographic, versus what failed, like trying to be the same as everyone else with a very popular keyword and just having the 20th entry for that kind of genre. So that all comes down to just months and months of experimentation and trial and error. What it also comes down to, once you get good, is that I find myself having great analytical ability with just knowing, hey, what angles can I take with this keyword? What demographics can I apply it to? Or, hey, people love no content books or no content kind of titles. Like, other than just journals, like what else is in black and white can I publish for that could do well? That's all coming from your own analytical ability and even creativity and imagination. So that's a big thing right there. Along with that, identifying trends before they become saturated. So, like, I always say this in every video, I came to prominence in Amazon publishing for being the yo-yo guy. Who would have thought in the year, 2017, that yo-yos would still be popular? I published a book for yo-yo tricks in summer of 2017, knowing it would be super hot during the holidays as a gift for children. And I took my time to get it ranked, get everything optimized, and then boom, I made $4,000 in December from a book that cost me $150 to produce. And likewise, I've done this with fidget spinners, with a cryptocurrency, with video games, with like a lot of other shit. So I'm really good at that. And you can too, if you know what it takes to find trends before they become saturated. There's a certain methodology to that, along with just, again, your own analytical ability and being creative. My experience, like I said, is that I have some books that needed literally 12 months to get their initial return on investment, and I have a few books that completely bombed. So I've spent thousands of dollars in producing books, countless hours of doing keyword research for over a year, and a lot of dedication spent with that. So, I'm fortunate. I, to this day still, at the time I'm making this video, I've worked full-time positions, and in California here, I'm a high income earner, and so I have that discretionary income, fortunately, to spend money on things like, book production and such. So, the thousands of dollars that I've lost in producing books, either have made me back money, and they have, and hey, if I bomb out, and if I lose 2K on some books that I published, not the end of the world either for me. I'm not going to go broke. So I've been really fortunate with that. But, not everyone is like me. Some of us have other obligations like higher cost of living, family to take care of, children. Maybe you don't have a high-paying job, and that's why you're looking to make additional money from the internet, namely biz-op like Amazon self-publishing, Kindle self-publishing. That's why you're here. So, what a lot of people face with keyword research is that you get frustrated. You waste a lot of time trying to find profitable keywords that don't pan out. You waste money on failed books. Maybe you've wasted money on your first, second, fourth, fifth, maybe your seventh book. They've all sucked. None of them have made you money, and now you're pissed because you've wasted all this time. You've wasted all this emotional energy in getting these books done, and more so, also, you've wasted thousands of dollars that you could have spent on other things, and that money means a lot to you. So, what I've seen is that lack of results leads to a lack of motivation to continue on with self-publishing, and that's why most people quit in Kindle self-publishing. That's the honest truth. Not a lot of people really succeed with it. Maybe they get like so-so results and then they kind of stagnate, or they just don't see results at all, or maybe they don't really even like get off the right track with publishing, and most people quit. Just the way it is with any biz op, really. So, what can I offer you as a solution to no longer being frustrated, not wasting time with research, not risking as much money on the line with failed books? The Elite Keyword Mastermind. My course, my system, where I give you keywords to publish for every month. You no longer have to do keyword research. I'll do it for you. If that's the magic trick to keyword research, having someone else do it for you that's good at it, that is the trick right there. The Elite Keyword Mastermind. I'll take care of the trouble and the hassle for you. I'll find you profitable keywords. I give you 3 keywords every month to publish for that are proven to be good, and I explain why in my system for every keyword that I give out. Learn how to find profitable keywords if you want on your own, and I teach you how to do it within minutes or sometimes even seconds with identifying a keyword that's good to publish for. And also, you get access to me one-on-one in our membership group exclusive to people in our mastermind, where you can work with me, ask me questions, hit me up even on our group, and I will answer all of your questions and work with you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, link below. Be sure to join and also subscribe to the program for full access, and we'll get you from being broke to wearing Gucci head to toe. Guys, hope you like this video. Hit subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the mastermind soon. Later. Take care.